what to expect when you come do an ATV tour with Real Deal Roatan Tours. Today, I'm going to take you on an awesome journey through the mud at Victor Boden's Mayan Jungle Adventure. So come join us on this awesome day while we do the ATV and Sloth excursion. All right, guys, so when you come on a tour or on a cruise through Mahogany Bay, that's Carnival, or anything like Holland America, you're gonna come to this part of the island, this port in Mahogany Bay. You're gonna have to exit your port and walk down the hill, and you're gonna see all the people right there. They're all saying their company name that they're booked with. We're going there right now.
You think of Sharon and Jamie for 4 years. Oh, thank you. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys. God bless you. God bless you. You guys are going to be with Jerry today. God bless you. So you guys are going to be on the video. All right. Make sure to subscribe. All right, guys. We are at the ATV park. Today we're going to do the ATV and Sloth tour, which is one of the most popular tours that we have on our website. We are at Victor Boden's Mayan Jungle Adventure. We're at the park now. This is where you'll have to fill out a waiver form, so follow me. Once we get here to the booth, we fill out a waiver form for the ATVs and sometimes even for the zip line. This is the same park we use for our zip line excursion as well. All right, come on in. So while you guys, after you fill out your form, you come through here. You could do some souvenir shopping here as well. You got the people that actually work here, and they're the owners as well. You could also buy some souvenirs while you're here. They got the little sloth stuffed animals. They got shirts. They got wood things that you could buy and also take home as souvenirs. All right, follow me. This is the staging area. So when you come and do the ATVs, usually you're going to go a different route, and I'm about to show you that. But when we go do zip line, you go upstairs, get geared up. And if you're going to do the sloth park, you come here to one of the guides, and they take you inside the park where you're able to pet the monkeys and also take pictures with the sloth.
Slow motion, man.
All right, you can hear the ATVs are coming right behind me. So this is where the ATV starts. This is where we start the tour. Right, so when you come back from the ATVs, you got to get washed up. Usually you come a little muddy, just like the people behind me, the group. So once you come back, you get washed up, you get ready. And if you haven't done the Sloth Park, then you'll do the Sloth Park. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this ATV excursion. And if you have any questions, go ahead and send us an email. or you can book it directly with us through our website, through the links below. And also, make sure you subscribe and like this channel. Have a good one.